Today's product review is all about Southwind Floors Traditions. This is a luxury vinyl product with a classic hardwood look, but without the classic hardwood price. Let's get into it. Traditions is 6.5 millimeters thick, 3 inches wide, and comes in mixed lengths of 20 inches, 40 inches, and 60 inches. It's built with a 20 mil wear layer for daily protection, and it even comes with a 1 millimeter attached underlayment, so it's comfortable and quiet underfoot. Each carton covers about 22 square feet and has matching trims and moldings available to give your space a polished and complete look. It features a uni-click locking system, so no glue or nails are needed, just click and go. The edges and ends have a micro bevel, giving it that realistic hardwood plank look. Here's where this floor really stands out. It's 100% waterproof, but you're not going to want to flood it. However, it is designed to handle accidental spills and daily messes. It's also UV protected. The color won't fade out in sunny spots, so it's safe for rooms that have big windows. It's also quiet. The attached pad helps reduce noise, so footsteps sound softer, great for busy homes or upstairs spaces. There are 6 traditional oak colors to choose from. Butterscotch oak, warm medium brown with golden highlights. Cherry oak, rich reddish browns for that classic cherry feel. Gunstock oak, brown with a hint of gray, rustic yet versatile. Red oak natural, a mid-tone oak with a subtle red warmth. Saddle oak, deep brown with cozy undertones. And white oak natural, light, airy, and it brightens up a space. You also get a lifetime residential warranty, and for those light commercial spaces, they cover it for 10 years. And last but not least, it's Floor Score certified, which means it meets strict indoor air quality standards, safe for you, your family, or your customers. Okay, just to recap, this is a solid hardwood plank. As you can tell, it has a much thicker profile. It also does not have an attached backing. And with Traditions, this is their version of a hardwood plank, but it is LVP, and you can tell it is a very much thinner profile, and it does come with the attached pad. This is the 20-inch size. It does come in the 40-inch size, and the last size is the 60-inch plank. So that's it for this product review. For more information on Southwind Floors Traditions, visit our website at georgiacarpet.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.